Are you a fan of white rice? It's time to consider making a switch to the healthier and more nutritious alternative, brown rice. While white rice has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, it's time to ditch this refined grain and opt for a more wholesome and nutrient-dense option. In this video, we'll dive into 9 reasons why brown rice is better for your body than white rice, from its high fiber content to its impact on brain function and environmental sustainability. You won't want to miss out on all the benefits that brown rice has to offer. So buckle up and get ready to learn why brown rice is the superior grain. Number 1. Nutritional value. Brown rice is a more nutrient-dense grain compared to white rice as it retains the bran and germ layers. These layers contain important nutrients such as vitamins B and E, minerals like magnesium, potassium and fiber. In fact, a cup of cooked brown rice contains 3.5 grams of fiber, while white rice contains only 0.6 grams. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins play important roles in maintaining healthy bodily functions, including bone health, nerve function, and metabolism. By consuming brown rice regularly, you can increase your intake of these important nutrients, leading to improved overall health. Number 2. Glycemic Index. The glycemic index, or GI, is a measure of how quickly carbohydrates are broken down into glucose and absorbed into the bloodstream. Foods with a high GI can cause blood sugar levels to spike quickly, leading to a crash later on. Brown rice has a lower GI compared to white rice, meaning it takes longer to digest and provides sustained energy. Brown rice has a GI of 50, while white rice has a GI of 73. This means that brown rice can help to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and its complications. In addition, eating foods with a lower GI can help to promote weight loss and weight management, as they can help to control hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. Number 3. It can lower risk of diabetes and heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming brown rice was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to white rice. Additionally, brown rice consumption has been linked to lower levels of cholesterol and blood pressure, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. This is due to the high fiber content and low GI of brown rice, which help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. By incorporating brown rice into your diet, you can reduce your risk of developing these chronic diseases and promote overall heart health. Number 4. It has a higher satiety. Brown rice can also help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This is because it has a higher fiber content and a lower glycemic index, which means it takes longer to digest and provides sustained energy. By consuming foods that promote satiety, you can reduce your likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods, leading to improved weight management and overall health. Number 5. It lowers risk of obesity. Brown rice is a nutrient-dense food that can help with weight management. Studies have shown that people who consume more whole grains, including brown rice, tend to have lower body weight and a lower risk of obesity. The fiber in brown rice helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and snacking on unhealthy foods. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in brown rice provide a steady supply of energy, which can help prevent the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can contribute to hunger and cravings. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate more whole grains had a 49% lower risk of gaining weight compared to those who ate fewer whole grains. Another study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that substituting white rice with brown rice in a meal helped reduce calorie intake and increase satiety. The study also found that people who consumed more brown rice had lower waist circumference and body mass index than those who consumed less brown rice. Number 6. It reduces risk of colon cancer. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming whole grains, including brown rice, was associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. The fiber in brown rice can help to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation, which can reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. Additionally, the antioxidants present in brown rice can help to protect cells from damage, reducing the risk of developing cancer. Number 7. It's gluten-free. Brown rice is naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and healthy option for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye that can cause digestive issues and inflammation in people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Brown rice can be substituted for other grains in a gluten-free diet, providing important nutrients and dietary fiber. Number 8. It improves brain function. Brown rice contains vitamin B6, which is essential for brain function and the production of neurotransmitters. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in mood regulation, memory consolidation, and cognitive development. Research studies have shown that people who have low levels of vitamin B6 have an increased risk of developing depression and other mental health disorders. By consuming brown rice regularly, you can increase your intake of this important vitamin and support healthy brain function. Furthermore, the high fiber content in brown rice helps to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes that can affect brain function negatively. And finally, number 9. Its environmental sustainability. Choosing brown rice over white rice can have a positive impact on the environment. The milling process used to produce white rice generates a significant amount of waste and requires large amounts of water and energy. This process removes the nutritious bran and germ layers of the rice grain, leaving behind only the starchy endosperm. In contrast, brown rice requires less processing and retains more of the original grain, reducing waste and conserving resources. Additionally, choosing whole grains over refined grains can help to support sustainable agriculture and promote biodiversity. By purchasing and consuming brown rice, you are supporting farmers who practice environmentally sustainable farming practices that help to conserve soil and water resources, reduce pollution, and promote healthy ecosystems. Overall, making a simple dietary choice like switching from white rice to brown rice can have a positive impact on your health and the health of the planet. We hope that this video has helped you to better understand the many benefits of choosing brown rice over white rice. Incorporating this wholesome and nutrient-dense grain into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you in the future. Thank you for watching.